Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this puff stitch shawl. It's so simple. I crochet only sample. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and you can crochet that shawl so easy. I promise that. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful puff stitch shawl. Let's start crochet. I will use in my shawl Luna altın ilmek. It's 98% of premium acrylic, 2% of polyester, 100 grams is 200 meters, and color is 2401, and they recommend us using 5mm hook, but I want to use 6mm hook with that yarn. We will start our shawl with slip knot. Make a slip knot. Then we will make our chains, multiples of 8 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not make your chain so tight. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I made 40 chains. If you want to make your shawl more wider, you will add 8 stitch per 8 stitch. Okay. Then add here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hold here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, skip. Yarn over, insert into the 7th one. Grab my yarn, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, insert into the next one, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, make a double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, insert into the next one, grab your yarn, pull through 2, make a double. You have a 1 big box, 3 chain 1 box. Okay, then 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the 4th one, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 1 again, skip 1, insert into the next one. We will make 3 chain 1 box. Chain 1, skip 1, make a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, make a double crochet. Next stitch. Now time to make big box. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the 4th one, make a double. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, make a double. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, make a double. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, make a double. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the 4th one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make big one. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into next one, make 3 chain 1 box. This is the first one. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one and make a double crochet. Second one. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, make a double crochet. Chain 3, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the last stitch and finish with double crochet. So you start with big box, finish with big box, your first row. 3 chain 1 boxes, after chain 3 boxes. Chain 1 and turn my work. Then come to the chain 3 space and make 1 slip stitch and come to this space. Then lose your loop, yarn over, insert into the same, grab your yarn, lose it, yarn over, insert into the same, grab your yarn, lose it. I have 2, 4 and 5 loops. Pull through all together and chain one for lock this puff. Then add one more chain. After make here 4 more puffs. So totally we have here 5 puff stitch. Insert here 1, 2, 3. Pull through. I have 2 loops. Pull through all together. Add chain one. Yarn over, insert same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2, add one more chain. 3 puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull through and pull through 2, add one more chain. Then make one more. 1, 2, 3. Pull through and pull through 2. We make here 5 puff stitch with 3 times pull the yarn. Make 1 chain between of the puff stitches. Chain 2, skip the first box, insert into the second box, grab your yarn, join with a single crochet. Chain 2 and come to next big box and make here again 5 puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2. Chain 1. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2. Chain 1. 1, 2, 3. Pull through and pull through 2. 3. Pull through and pull through 2. Chain 1 and make one more. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2. Add chain 2 this time because we complete the 5 puff stitches. Skip the first box, insert into the second one and join with a single crochet. Chain 2 and make 5 puff here. Chain 2 and join them. Chain 2, make 5 puff, join here and finish with as same as the start with 5 puff. I complete this row and turn to you. I complete the second row, chain 1 and turn my work, make a slip stitch my first chain 1 space. Now we prepare the box. 1 row puff stitch row, 1 row box row. Now we want to slide this puffs, so I want to make next row these puffs here. So I will make my 3 box here, big box here. 1, 2, 3 for my first double. Add 1 more chain for space. Then yarn over, insert into the next one, make a double. First box, chain 1, insert into the next. Second box, chain 1, insert into the next chain 1 space. Make my third box. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over. Skip these and come to the next puff group's first chain 1 space and make a double crochet. Chain 1, insert into the next one, make a double. Chain 1, insert into the next space, make a double. Chain 1, insert into the next, make a double. I put 3 box on that puff group. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, skip all these stitches, come to first chain 1 space, next groups, make double, chain 1, next one, double, chain 1, next one, double, chain 1, next one, double. I have 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3 chains, come to next chain 1 space, make a double crochet. Chain 1, next space, chain 1, next, chain 1, next. I have 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3 and come to last puff group. Skip these stitches, come to first space and join with a double crochet. chain 1, next space, make a double, chain 1, make a double crochet next space, chain 1, make a double crochet next space. And look at that pattern. One row I will have 5 groups. After this row I will have 4 groups. We will always keep repeating 4 rows. I will show you. Then this time 1, 2, 3 chains. 1 for turn my work, 2 for, skip the first box, insert into the second one and join with a single crochet. Chain 2 and come to big space and make 5 puff stitches. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2, chain 1. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2, chain 1. Don't forget make chain 1. Okay. Yarn over, make 3 more puff group. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2, chain 1. 3. This is the 4th one. And this is the 5th one. 1, 2, 3. This time when you finish the 5 puffs, chain 2, skip the first box, insert into the second one, join with a single crochet. Chain 2 and make your 5 puff here, chain 2, join with a single crochet, chain 2, make your 5 puff. I will complete this puff row after turn 3. I complete the 4th round, you can see that. Chain 2, insert into the skip one, insert into the second one, join with a single crochet, chain 2 and insert my hook, top of the 3rd one, join with a single crochet. We completed. Now I will show you how you can put the boxes. After you will repeat 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. You will keep repeat and make your which size you want. Now we need to make here, we keep repeating this first row. We need to make here big when we will put 3 boxes here. So chain 3 for my double crochet and turn my work, and I want to make here 3 chain space. So add here 3 more. So I make here chain 6, yarn over and come to first chain 1 space and join with double crochet. Chain 1, come to next chain 1 space, make a double. Chain 1, come to next chain 1 space, make a double. I have 2 boxes. Chain 1, come to next chain 1 space, and I have 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, skip all these stitches, come to the first chain 1 and join with a double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet. Chain 1, come to next space, double. You know that. Make 3 boxes. Chain 3, make your big box for the new puffs space. 1, 2, and 3 boxes. Chain 3 and come to last space, make my 3 box, join with a double. Chain 1, next space, make a double. Chain 1, next space, make a double. Chain 1, next space, make a double. And last 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert your hook last, chain 1 here, join with a double crochet. Now you will keep repeating the second row. Chain 1 and turn your work and make 1 slip stitch and come to this space and do the same thing. Make your puffs, lose your loops. 1, 2, 3, locked, then chain 1. 1, 2, 3, pull through 2, chain 1. Always repeat 4 rows, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that you will repeat, make your boxes from here. Always keep repeating those 4 rows. I will keep repeat mine, make it bigger and turn to you. I finished my sample shawl. I hope you like it. It's so simple. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.